Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best shaving kit is probably one of the most essential tools in any grooming arsenal, offering a superior and more personalized experience compared to disposable razors. It's an investment in your daily routine, promising a closer shave, reduced irritation, and a touch of classic sophistication that elevates the simple act of shaving into a ritual. Whether you're a seasoned wet shaver or new to the world of traditional grooming, choosing the right kit can make a significant difference in the comfort and quality of your shave, ensuring you look and feel your best every single day. Number 5. Norelco Philips Multigroom Series 7000. Introducing the Norelco Philips Multigroom Series 7000, your all-in-one grooming solution. Achieve a perfect trim every time with this versatile kit. This comprehensive kit includes 23 pieces, offering complete control over your beard, hair, body, and face. Style your look exactly how you want it. Effortlessly trim your beard and style your hair with precision. It's designed for comfort and effectiveness, making grooming a breeze. Achieve a clean and polished look for your body and face. The various attachments ensure detailed grooming for every area. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance as no blade oil is required. This means less worry and more time for you to look your best. This is the model MG775049, engineered for durability and performance. Experience the difference in your grooming routine. What we like. This all-in-one grooming kit offers unparalleled versatility with 23 attachments for every grooming need. It's designed for ultimate convenience, eliminating the need for blade oil. If you're looking for a single solution to manage your beard, head, body, and face hair with minimal fuss, this is the kit for you. What people say. The razor has a good weight and balance, making it comfortable to hold and maneuver. The blades are sharp and provide a close, smooth shave without irritation. The kit includes a high-quality brush that lathers soap effectively and feels soft on the skin. Number 4. Viking Revolution Ultimate Grooming Kit for Men. Introducing the Ultimate Grooming Kit designed for men. This comprehensive set has everything you need to maintain a sharp and stylish look. Tackle any beard or mustache with ease. Detangle, trim, moisturize, and style your facial hair to perfection with the included tools and products. Experience the luxurious sandalwood scent with our specially formulated beard oil and styling balm. They leave your beard feeling soft, moisturized, and smelling fantastic. This all-in-one grooming set offers incredible value. It's the perfect holiday gift for any man who takes pride in his beard or mustache, conveniently packaged in a travel-friendly metal tin. We stand by our products. If you're not completely satisfied with your grooming kit, simply reach out to us, and we'll make it right. What we like. Experience premium beard care with natural boar bristles and a luxurious sandalwood scent. This set provides everything needed to detangle, trim, soften, and style. If you're a beard enthusiast who appreciates natural ingredients and a sophisticated grooming experience, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The razor provides a close shave without irritation. The kit includes a high-quality brush that lathers soap effectively. The stand keeps the razor and brush organized and dry. Number 3. Isner Mild Beard Grooming Kit for Men. Looking for a thoughtful gift for your husband, boyfriend, or dad? This beard grooming kit is the ideal present for any occasion. It includes everything he needs for a well-groomed beard: beard oil, balm, wash, brush, comb, and a straight razor. Our premium formula helps to soften and condition his beard, promoting healthy growth and a comfortable feel. Whether it's for Father's Day, a birthday, or just because, this kit makes an excellent stocking stuffer or main gift. Give the gift of a great beard with this comprehensive grooming set from Isner Mile. What we like. This comprehensive kit brings together essential beard care tools, including a classic straight razor for a precise shave. It's packaged as a perfect gift, making it ideal for any occasion. If you're searching for a thoughtful and complete grooming gift for the man in your life, this set covers all the bases. What people say. The razor has a good weight and balance, making it comfortable to hold and maneuver. The blades are sharp and provide a close, smooth shave without irritation. The kit includes a high-quality shaving brush with soft bristles that create a rich lather. Number 2. MANSPOT Manscape Groin and Body Hair Trimmer. Tired of uncomfortable grooming? Introducing the revolutionary trimmer designed for your groin and body. It's time to experience a new level of comfort and precision. This electric trimmer is specifically engineered for men's sensitive areas. Its advanced design ensures a safe and smooth shave, preventing nicks and irritation. Get everything you need for a perfect groom. This kit includes multiple guards for customized lengths and replaceable ceramic blade heads for lasting sharpness. Enjoy the flexibility of wet or dry shaving. It's completely waterproof, making it perfect for use in the shower or on the go. With 90 minutes of shaving time on a single charge, you can tackle all your grooming needs without interruption. Stay confident and well-groomed with ease. What we like. Designed specifically for sensitive areas, this trimmer offers a safe and comfortable grooming experience. Its waterproof design and replaceable ceramic blades ensure hygiene and precision. If you're looking for a dedicated tool to manage groin and body hair discreetly and effectively, this is the manscaping solution you need. What people say. The razor has a good weight and balance, making it comfortable to hold and maneuver. The brush creates a rich lather quickly and helps exfoliate the skin. The stand is sturdy and keeps the razor and brush organized and dry. Number 1. Vorspack Hanging Toiletry Bag. Never worry about packing again. This bag boasts a large main compartment and multiple interior pockets to keep all your essentials neatly organized and easy to find. Crafted from durable, wearable canvas with a water-resistant PU leather trim, it's built to last and protect your belongings from splashes. Whether for a weekend getaway or a business trip, it perfectly stores your toiletries. It's also versatile enough to be used as a makeup organizer. Available in a variety of colors, its classic and stylish design ensures it remains attractive and functional, even after long-term use. Featuring a comfortable leather handle and smooth SBS zippers, it's easy to carry and pack. Its perfect size fits effortlessly into your suitcase. What we like. Keep all your grooming essentials organized and accessible with this spacious, water-resistant toiletry bag. Its hanging design is perfect for maximizing space in any bathroom. If you travel frequently or simply want a tidy way to store your toiletries and shaving kit, this bag offers both style and practicality. What people say. The razor has a good weight and balance, making it comfortable to hold and maneuver. The blades are sharp and provide a close, smooth shave without irritation. The kit includes a high-quality brush that lathers soap effectively, creating a rich foam. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.